Hey folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a tenor ukulele to show you. This is a stock instrument that we're actually taking to an event later on this month. So if it makes it through that week without a buyer, you'll be the first to know. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm just really pleased with it. It's number 677. It's Spruce and Koa. And the inspiration for the whole piece is this spruce top. So this is from our friend Craig Wilson, who lives across the river. He and his father harvested this spruce many years ago, and I ended up with a lot of chunks of it that are too small for guitars, which is what he builds. And I also ended up with a lot of pieces that are a little more adventurous than his traditional guitar customers would want. So this top, it's got these red stripes, it's got multiple colors in it, it's got these cool dark marks. So everything was built around this top. So I thought it would look good with some Koa back and sides. I chose a one-piece quilted back to match the one-piece top. And I think that was a good choice. And then for fretboard, headplate, and bridge, I chose Jatoba, or Brazilian cherry. This is from a big pile of scraps I've got from the carpenter ant stash. It's a very hard, good wood for fretboards, and I like the reddish-brown color. I thought it suited this well. And then I made the neck out of the same spruce as the top with maple and Jatoba stripes down the middle. So yeah, it's got basically the color palette of this top is what I used to pick everything else. I think it was a good choice. Yeah, it's really fun. So yeah, that's number 677. Ready to go. Cheers.